Hello everyone, nice to meet you all online. During this economic recession and very high bank interest rates, construction became standstill. We can't see it is propagating in future and various other negativity of people mind not to do anything. But we have to remember housing. We can't postpone, we can't stop. That is one of our primary requirement. If we are thinking really a newly married couple, they need only a basic living unit including living room, one bedroom with a toilet and a kitchen. So when kids come, still they can live together, maybe up to 8 to 10 years. By the time this economic recession is over, why not we are adding some rooms, making living room bigger, if necessary adding a floor on top of the existing single story house. Whatever the flexibilities are there, those are the design attributes we architects can offer. So people have to make their minds to address essential thing at the moment. Then the cost matter. Brief, we cut down drastically what is essential with a core unit, with basic requirement, with expanding techniques. We will discuss later episodes. But how we are doing construction with low cost? What are the locally available materials? How these materials could cope up with weather? Our office colleague Nethmi Jyarathna will explain how and what are the materials and techniques available at the moment as our precedent studies.
In envisioning the future of architecture, materiality and form making in cost-effective forms is never far behind. Situated in specific cultural settings, factors ranging from soil profile to topographic conditions bear direct influences on architectural language of people. Referred to as indigenous or vernacular architecture, these are architectural typologies constructed in direct response to readily available material and construction technologies. For Sri Lanka, a country in South Asia, this is no different. With a climate of warm, humid, the materials and the construction techniques utilized in its indigenous architecture must navigate a curious mix of heat, humidity and rainfall. Join with us to find more in rediscovering about this cost-effective material and form-making strategies and consider the parallels with other tropical countries for economic revival. In the building materials sector, the main factors of production are raw materials, labor, machinery and energy. The relative importance of each factor of production will depend to a large extent on the type of building material to be produced. However, it is desirable that all the factors of production be available at the local level in order to achieve the objective of indigenous production. Each factor input is vital to the production process and if ignored could be the single cause for the defeating of the overall objective of the process. So, in this series, we will be discussing on the building materials as well as the construction processes for renewing the thoughts on the way forward in the construction industry.